Amapiano is a breath of fresh air in African music, a revolution that was highly needed to change the dynamics of how African culture is perceived internationally. For decades, Africans have been following hip-hop culture, submitting to their fashion, slang, status, perception, and were influenced by their gun violence and ignorance as well. Afrobeat had a long run where they were supposed to shift the African culture on an international stage, but failed dismally due to the fact that their sound comprises of trending sounds. They were influenced by R&B, highlife, dancehall, hip-hop, pop, and now Amapiano. They diverted away from the original sound of Fela Kuti into a sound that is a wanderer with no distinctiveness. Now, Amapiano is the sound that is actually liberating African culture, the first sound to take over the world using its local language, dance, and fashion